Hey, I'm Kathy Allen. Welcome. I'm going to show you how to make a simple zine out of just one piece of paper so you can turn it into something like this. All you need for this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This is plain copy paper that you can buy at any store, and some scissors. So what I'm going to do first is fold it this way, the long way. I think there's terminology like hot dog fold or envelope fold, but I'm just gonna say the long way, and open it up and fold it the other way. Basically, you're gonna want there to be 8 sections when you're done folding. So far, we've got 4. So now to make 8, we're just gonna fold this in here. And fold this in here. We've got 8 sections. Now we're gonna fold it in half like it's a book, and we're gonna get our scissors out. If you don't have scissors, you can also tear. At any point, you can also use a tool to crease edges more, like a bone folder, but you do not have to. So we're gonna get our scissors, we've got our book here. We're gonna turn our book this way, and we're gonna cut. And I'm cutting right on the fold. It might be hard to see with the overhead light. When we open it up, you know you've done it right when you have a cut right in the middle. It kind of looks like a little mouth. Then you're gonna take your paper, turn it this way so you have the mouth in the middle, and it's kind of making this little crease. You're gonna go up like this, out like this. Do it one more time, kind of this way. Might be easier to see. I'm gonna go up and out. And then you're going to simply close it and fold it. I'm just gonna basically fold on every fold. You can fold it any which way you like. Sometimes it'll just feel a little better one way, but you're gonna fold it up so you have a little book. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides to your little book. Let me show you some that I have done. This is one that I am currently working on. It's in pencil, but you can see here's all the parts. I'm gonna trace over it, goes together just like this. When I'm making these, I leave a little bit of space around the edge because my goal is to copy this and then scan it right into a PDF. This is my original that I did of this one. So you can see there's a little bit of space around the edges of each little section that doesn't have any writing or drawing in it. And this is what the copy looks like. But you can see a little tiny bit got cut off over here, a little tiny bit over here. Not too much, pretty good. Probably have to get it a little closer on this side. You can see the crease is copying, but that's okay. I don't mind that at all. From the copied version, because if that's your goal, you do the exact same thing. So let's just do a little recap. We do the one fold, and sometimes it'll be a little off. You can see I didn't do that exactly perfect. It's not really about being perfect. It's about getting information out. All right, we're gonna do another fold. Here. And here. Here we go. We have our book, and we're gonna cut this part right here, right along the fold. And since these go together a certain way, I'm gonna pop it up, pull it out, fold. You can fold it to look like the actual book because we know what the cover is going to look like. Let's see, where's our cover? There it is. Give a nice hard push there again. Then you have your little zine. If you were designing it online, you can see what it has to look like. Along this side, these are upside down when it's all in one, but that's gonna turn it into this little book here that reads correctly. If you want to make your own, I have a few suggestions for process and art supplies. Like I showed you with this one, I like to start everything with pencil because it's just easier. I can erase if things don't fit. I'm making it by hand. Now, if you're making it on Procreate or something digitally, then you don't have to worry about any of this. So basic copy paper, any kind of pencil. I like a mechanical pencil because I can never be trusted to find my pencil sharpener. Then I trace over it with a micron pen. This is a 1 micron, it's archival ink. If you compare the two, let's see, let's just do like the covers of these two, because here's the pencil and here's the finished. So it's a little thicker than the pencil. It's also much darker. It goes on very smoothly. Microns are really, really, really nice. I don't know if you can see that. They last for a long time. So I map everything out. I guess a step that could go before writing everything out with pencil is kind of mapping out what you want to be on each page. So you could just do number 1 through 8 and then go all the way around. But I write everything out with pencil, and then I go over it with the Micron, and then I erase. I've used all different types of erasers. Soft kind of artist erasers are best. I never like to use the eraser that comes on the end of the pencil if I can help it. I just go over and erase. I'm not too worried if I leave a little bit of marks in there because these are handmade. Once I'm done erasing, then I scan it in, and that's how I got these here. These are just copies. I scan it in and save it as a PDF. I also made some QR codes specifically for these. If you'd like to know how to do that, I can do another video on that. Just let me know in the comments. I just cut and paste these. So for that, it's just these same old scissors, and this is my favorite kind of glue stick. You can make these all day long. These are super fun for anyone to be able to fill a little book with their favorite things. You can exchange them with other people. You can have so much fun with just a piece of paper. It's amazing. I hope that you do lots of great things with zines, and if you have some, let me know. Share in the comments. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.